guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I just got my Boxyluxe in the mail. Finally, it sat for the longest time not moving. It said that it had shipped right away early on in the month, and then it never actually moved. So I was very glad to see it finally arrive because I've been waiting for it for quite a while. And this is what it looks like inside. And we're gonna pull out the card that tells me what everything is. I'll put that to the side for a minute. And then the first thing I see, oh my goodness, I just got one of these in my FabFitFun, my fall box, but it was a pink one. I still haven't tried it yet, so I don't know if it works with my hair. It's on my list of things to try, I just haven't gotten around to it. This is a daily hair wrap towel from Daily Concepts. This retails for $18. So this may or may not get passed along. That's something that I need to like try before I decide whether I want to keep it or not. So interesting first thing. Next up is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. This I was trying to remember, and I need to go back and look at some of my sample Saturdays because I know I've tried this, but I honestly cannot remember if I like this cleanser or not. And if I don't like it, I'm going to definitely pass it along. It's a huge bottle. This is 5 ounces, so this is a nice big size for cleansing, and cleansers are always pretty nice. I could use it as a brush cleaner maybe, but if I would rather have somebody else get it if it's good. If you remember if I like it or not, and I'm just like being such a space case because it's December, it's the end of the semester, classes ended, and now I am getting finals in and I have to grade those within a week and figure out everything else. So I'm a little brain dead right now because of all of that pressure and stuff going on. So that retails for $48. That's a lot for a cleanser. I mean, even though that's a big cleanser, that's still quite a bit. Sorry if it seems a little dark. It's not really cloudy out, but the sun doesn't seem to be giving me as much light as I normally get. All right, next thing in here is in bubble wrap, and it is a confetti highlighter from Ciate London, which is pretty cool because I love highlighters. If you've seen my channel, you know that I love highlighters. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very reflective. And then that's what the highlighter looks like. It's kind of weird because it looks like it's more textured in one place than in another. It looks almost like it's been flattened over there. We'll swatch it. Ooh. It's a little dark for my skin, but I think I could probably make it work. And like I said, I love highlighters, so I probably will use it in any case. So first one for sure that I'm excited about getting. Oh, and that retailed for $32. Next up is a melted matte liquid lipstick from Too Faced, and I knew that this was one of the options. They were going to do either a lip gloss or a matte lipstick, but I didn't see in the spoilers that it was going to be the metallic formula. This is one that I will definitely not wear. This looks like poop brown. Yeah, no, that's a definite no for me. I know some people like browns, but I am not one of those people, so that one's going to get passed along. That's kind of disappointing because I love Too Faced lipsticks. This one retails for $21. So far one keep, one for sure getting rid of, and then 2 that I don't know if I like them or not. Then we have the QMS Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. So I guess hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, useful appearance for all skin types. It's a 6-month shelf life, so it's not that much. And it is an airless pump, so that's kind of nice. It's half an ounce. I'm gonna like see what it feels like. I would imagine you don't need very much of a lip plumper. It's very watery. It just like rolled down All right, so that's what it looks like. That's one pump, which is way more than you need for your lips. Because look at, like, this is spreading out over most of my hand. I'm being really awful and wiping it on my desk chair right now. But that's, we'll see. There's no like tingling or anything, so it's not like one of those ones that has like the cayenne or the peppermint in it to make it plump. It must have like hyaluronic acid or something in it. It retails for $200. Definitely would not buy this for $200 because I don't have $200 to spend on a lip plumper. My lips, I feel like, are pretty plump as it is already. All right, and that is one that I chose. I got to choose two of them, and this is the other one I chose, which is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I can't remember. I think the other one was an oil, and I have so many oils that I need to use, and I just never get around to it. This is the packaging. It's really cool. You can tell like that most of this is hollow though, because it's really top heavy, like where the actual product is. Ooh, that's really like a pale pink shade. I'm not gonna like stick my fingers in it because I'm not going to get to it right away because I have several moisturizers that I am working through right now. Like I don't even know how many, but I am excited for that one. I do like moisturizers. If I don't like them on my face, I always use them on my neck and chest, so they always get used. That retails for $39. Then we have, I just saw this in there and I was like, really? IGK, this is the First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I know some people love this stuff. I can't stand the feel of dry shampoo in my scalp. I don't like that feeling. I like having a squeaky clean. I know that's not the best, but my scalp gets so itchy and when it's not washed. Like, I am not one of those people that can go 3 days because I get so much buildup in my hair. And so all I do is I just wash the roots every day. I don't, like, not my whole head, just the roots. And that's how I deal with my hair. And my hair is super healthy and long and ridiculously long, to be honest. So I just don't like dry shampoos. I don't like how they feel. I don't like the buildup that they create in your hair. So I will be passing this one along. This one retails for $27. And plus, dry shampoos can be really expensive. All right, the next thing in here is from M. Greengrass. It's in plastic. This is a dry oil spray beach air. Let's see what it smells like. And try not to spill the oil all over me. Oh, that's an interesting scent. It's not really like it's very light. It says it's inspired by Greece. It has bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, heliotrope, and musk. And it's multi-use for body, face, and hair. This fast absorbing dry oil spray is formulated, I should see if you can see it. There we go. With a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft, luminous, without feeling greasy. Spray it on your skin and massage in. For hair, spray it onto your palms and run through the tips of your hair to disperse evenly. Spray the oil onto your hands and face and apply to face where needed. So you don't spray it directly on your face. But that's kind of cool. This retails for $36. I would not pay $36 for a hair/body oil kind of thing. I do love the little plastic bag though. Oh, and they do have a 30% off coupon. So if you are interested in getting one of these later on, the code is Boxy30 at mgreengrass.com, and it's good through the beginning of February, so the 1st of February. And yeah, Boxy30 all in caps. There's no light, and then I get something that's white, and then it's like really freaking out. All right, and the last thing is the thing that I was most excited about, the thing that I knew I was really happy about. Oh, I'm disappointed though, because in the past, all of my Storybook Cosmetics palettes have had a slip cover, and I love the slip covers over them. And this one doesn't have one. That makes me sad. And the other ones also came in like little like slip cut. They had bags around them. That's what I was trying to think. This is the Briar Rose palette. I knew that they were going to do this. Little Briar Rose by Storybook Cosmetics. There are 12 shades. I do love Storybook Cosmetics. They are not the best to order from. I will say that, because here it is, December 14th. I ordered on Black Friday, so November 29th. They said that, and I still haven't gotten my order. I haven't gotten a like shipping notice yet. And when people have asked them, they're like, oh, it takes 10 business days. Okay, well, if that had been like prominent and I had known that, I would have had it sent to another address so that I could actually make sure I get it in time for Christmas. But I still haven't gotten a shipping notice at all. It's quite frustrating. All right, so that's the first row. Those two are pretty light, the first two on that top row, but they're not too bad. I'm going to wipe the swatches off and I'll be right back. Read some of the titles to you. Briar Rose, Spindle, Talia, Castle, Prince, Grim, Beauty, Woodland, Enchanted, Fairies, Thorn, and Kiss. And this they made especially for BoxyCharm, so that could be why they don't have the slip cover on it, I guess. But I missed that part of it, because I do love their palettes and I collect them. I do have their subscription service as well. I am waiting for the third book to finally come out. It's only been a year and a half, and it was supposed to start in August 2018, and we didn't get that one until December, and then yeah. So hopefully they'll get their act together. I know that they're an independent little company, but man, if you want to succeed, don't bite off more than you can chew, and make sure you deliver on your promises and keep your like customers in the loop. That one was a little powdery. That middle one is very, very light, but so far very nice shades. This is actually going to be a fun palette, I think, to play with. And then our last three on the bottom, that silver, oh my gosh. I love the concept. I think that the eyeshadows are usually pretty high quality, but it's frustrating sometimes. All right, so that one on the bottom has like little glitter in it, kind of like the Too Faced does with their blacks a lot of the time. And so if you don't like that, that might be a concern. They did have them for sale on their website on Black Friday, so you could still order it if you are interested in doing so. All right, cleaning those off, let's look at that. Retailed for $55. I know that because I bought several of their palettes. I have all of their palettes. I have the Mean Girls Burn Book, which I love, and then I have the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory one, and the Wizards Witchcraft and Wizardry one as well. So this is the fourth one, and then I have the little ones. All right, recapping, this is $50 a month, $49 plus tax. Was it worth it? I mean, technically with this book, if you're excited about this, this would be the cost of the box, and everything else is just gravy on top of that. But let's look at how many things I'm going to keep. So definitely keeping the book. I'm going to use this. This is kind of cool. I like the smell of it. It's really light, not overwhelming. Moisturizer, always glad to get a moisturizer. This weird lip serum, I mean, I would never buy it. I would never repurchase it, but that's okay. And then the Ciate London, for sure, I'm going to keep those. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I'm definitely keeping. I have 2 that are definitely going away. The dry shampoo and the brown lipstick. Not my style, not what I like at all. And then I have 2 that I can't remember. Well, this one I haven't tried yet. I already have one. And then I can't remember if I like this cleanser or not. So 2 maybes, 2 definite no's, and 5 yeses. So I think that's a pretty good mix. I know that you're never gonna like everything in the box, and that's okay. If you are interested in knowing, I did have variation, well, you can't see that, variation 22, and yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I know this is over a $400 value. I was trying to add it up at one point, and there's a lot there. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Let me know what you got in your Boxyluxe, or did you just stick with the regular BoxyCharm? How are those little palettes? Because I'm waiting for those to arrive. Or did you get off the list and get Boxy Premium? Let me know down below, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.